All right, dude, so check it out. Today I was down in Tyson Wells and I met Rob from Travels with Dottie, and I didn't have my phone with me, so I couldn't put him in a video, but he did videotape me, so maybe you'll see me in one of his videos. That would be gnarly, wouldn't it? All right, so cool, Rob. Awesome to meet you. Now you're on the door. What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. This morning I am over at Lori's Ways camp checking out the free pile. I got a couple things to drop off. Maybe I'll see if there's something that I need. All right, so this is the free pile at Lori's Way. If you've never been here before, it's pretty awesome. Nomads drop stuff off they don't need and pick up stuff that they do. I got 2 pairs of Levi's jeans that somebody gave me. They're really nice, but they're just a little snug. So we'll put those there, and hopefully someone can use them. But this is pretty cool. Lots of clothes. Lots of clothes. I guess I should put this with the clothes. But this is Lori's camp. This is a nice setup. I'll put it over here with the rest of the clothes. I got it sorted out, kinda. What we're gonna do is just set it here. There you go. And I don't see anything that I think I need. A couple of books, maybe. Nah. There's a stereo. All right, so there you go. That's Lori's Way. Hey, guys, just figured I would give you a little update. They're starting to bring the RVs in for the RV show. I was wrong about the start of the tent, though. Seems like it has not been, the beginning of the building is not here yet. But things are gonna start happening soon now that RVs are showing up. As I was just walking past this stand here in Tyson Wells and I saw this DIY snowman kit. Dude, that's funny right there. That's some funny stuff right there.
Grandkids sent me a snowman and it didn't make it.
This is my new friend Steve. Check out the beard on this guy, man.
Yeah.
If you want to come out and get yourself a Pennsylvania snowman kit, come out and see Steve, or better yet, come out and try some of these awesome Pennsylvania Dutch delicious Amish donuts. And let me tell you, man, the Fashnachts are the stuff.
Carol.
Oh, and that's Carol right there. Come by and say hi to her too. Steve, Carol, I gotta say thank you so much for having that conversation piece there. Oh my gosh!
Or you just recording?
I'm recording to put it in a video.
Oh, well, maybe you can cut that part out.
Oh my gosh, dude! Thank you so much.
Try that. Then tell me how much I just ruined your donut life.
Oh my gosh! You gotta come out to the Pennsylvania Dutch delicious Amish donut shop and get them while they're hot because they're freaking awesome. All right, guys, so it's just getting ready to leave. Steve here, man, and this dude, Jeremiah, I just bumped into him, and he looks really familiar, man. Where do I know you from? Come on.
Breaking Amish, returned Amish.
Dude, that's it. You're like famous. Can I have your autograph?
Absolutely.
Loan me $5.
No, I don't charge for that.
Yeah, make sure you guys go check out Jeremiah Raber's channel, man. He's decided he wants to be a YouTuber again, so hook him up with a subscribe.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Jeremiah. Dude, look at that shorty. Check this thing out. This is epic, yo. Mid-engine Dodge, man. It's like a 68. Oh, dude, is this your van? Do you mind if I talk to you about it on camera?
I don't need to be in
All right, I'll cut that part out. Here's the other side of this thing, dude. This is just an awesome OG kind of rig, man. You don't see this 69 tradesman anywhere, man. And actually, this is a sportsman. Dude, that is so cool. Such a cool van, dude. guys? How you doing? Just finishing up my day here over in Laosa South. Dude says, hey man, your voice sounds familiar. So this is my new buddy Dana right here. How you doing, Dana?
I'm doing fine.
And I was talking to Dana, he wanted me to do a shout out, and I thought, nah, let's let you do a shout out. So Dana, go for it, buddy.
Yeah, just to my brother Jack up there in Minnesota in the cold weather. It's 35 below here, and we're at what?
75, 76.
All right, my man. Have a good one.
Check you later. Back at camp and cruised over to see what Mark was up to. And this is what Mark was up to. This guy, he's like the Energizer Bunny, man. He never stops. Now I'm going to show you a picture of him sitting down. But, I mean, look at this, man. He's got his whole hanging out in the sun setup all made up for him, man. How's it going, Mark?
Good, good. It's going to hit almost 80 this week.
Yeah, well.
And that's why I put this other section on.
I like it, man. Mark, honest to God, look at that hair, dude. Mark is a pretty ingenuitive MacGyver dude. Check this out. We're going to go over this a little bit. First, we'll start out here, man. So look at hardware store bolts and washers. Hardware store rope. So check out his pole. It's a freaking
6 to 12.
6 to 12 extender pole for painting houses. And then check this out. He's got 4-inch rollers that he cut and made stakes out of that he could screw onto the top so that it goes over the eyelet. I mean, it's genius. It's absolutely genius. And he's got 3 of them.
Yeah.
Then he's got these dope lights. We were hanging out last night. We had a nice campfire, and then he's got these lights here, which put off just the perfect amount of light, really. It's not too bright.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah. And then he's got them attached over here. So that's like his porch lights too. I mean, he has got a good setup here. And it's like all DIY. It's not like made for TV. This is like made for his uses.
Door ringer.
Oh yeah, he's got his door ringer too. Right on. It's like a wind chime too.
Yeah.
Plus, if dinner's ready, because he's got to be the best cook in camp for sure, man. I mean, he made some burgers the other night that were the bomb diggity. So, yeah, if you see Mark out and about, man, say hi to him. I'm trying to talk him into being a YouTuber because he does a lot of cool stuff. You know what I mean? Dudes, can you believe that? It's ridiculously hot in Quartzsite today. December 17th? All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this one. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking this one out. Make sure if you're into these videos, man, you hit the like and the subscribe button on the way out. We always got some memberships if you want to go take it another step further. But really, just watching the videos and hitting that like button is like the superest, awesomest way to support the channel. That's going to do it for this one. We will see you on the next one. Keep on vanning. What's going on? What's going on, guys? 3, 2,